Back to nature in this community on the nature coast with over 2,000 acres of natural surroundings. This home sits among a small, quiet street surrounded with nice homes and backs up to a tree-filled green space providing privacy. Having a split floor plan with generous bedrooms, 2 on one side of the house, the master on the other provides quiet time for you and your guests. Cathedral ceilings line the very large open living space where the living room and dining room are connected. The kitchen is just off the main room and has space as well for a smaller dining area that looks out into the lanai and pool. The master bedroom has a sliding glass door exit into the Florida room as well as a large bath. Between the living room and pool is a Florida room with sliding glass doors out into the lanai. This is a peaceful place where you can enjoy your downtime. Just some community amenities: golf courses, country club, gym, pools, tennis/pickleball courts, clubhouse, Proshop to name some of them.